As someone who has been studying and writing about small business for the last 40 plus years, I can tell you that one of the things that is the most important in running a small business is suppliers. People will talk about your people, and yeah, your people are really critical, but you know, suppliers are people too. And they become a really critical part of what goes on. I've almost been put out of business by not having the right supplier at the right time, or having a supplier go out of business himself, leaving me in the lurch because I can no longer get that insurance or that raw material or that capability to deliver on time. So suppliers are critical. I've got two ideas for you right now about suppliers. Number one is if you're in manufacturing, if you're in distribution, if you're a distribution center, if you're in logistics, if you're an importer, there's a show coming up and there's going to be a bunch of suppliers at that show that you can meet. They're all interested in talking to folks like you. The show is called the Perfect Vision Expo. It's on the 30th of January at 10:30 in the morning until 4:30 in the afternoon. If you are in one of those categories and you're looking for great suppliers, this is a place to come. There's also going to be some great speakers. The second thing is there's an app now called the Inland Empire Suppliers app. You can download that app right now, and you're going to find over 100 suppliers in there who've been vetted. I vetted them personally. These are people you can trust. These are people that are highly ranked on Google. They're highly ranked on Yelp. Check out the Inland Empire Suppliers app and attend our show coming up here at the end of January.